Hello everyone, I am Vishal Raj, a Alpha member of Student Ambassador from Triple IT Ranchi, India. Welcome you all to the September question month. Okay, so what's my story that led me to apply for the Student Ambassador program? So let me share you my secret. Before getting into the college, I used to be a nerdy as well as a introvert kind of personality. So after getting into the college, I was around a 5,000 to 6,000 students. So at that moment, I took a decision that no, Vishal, this is the best time to get a best version of from outside. So there I have decided to get involved in multiple activities, and at the end of the year I was successfully have a experience of organizing a national level events. At that moment I was having a qualities like to how to interact with people, how to share the knowledge, how to lead the team. So I was just thinking that why not I should take these qualities in a productive way. So I just love to read our holy book from India, that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I will recommend all of you to read the same. You will get literally a lots of things out from it. There I just found a phrase that knowledge is something, the more you share, the more you gain. Okay, so at that moment I just decided, okay Vishal, now the next work for you is to share the knowledge. Learn as much technology as you can and then share it to all. After seeking to the after seeking for the platform, I came across Microsoft as I was using a laptop of Microsoft. So I just decided, okay, let's first start from the Microsoft only. In Microsoft I came across that there is some program called MLSA. So I was very much pretty much excited about the event, so I have just applied for it, and in first go I got selected, and that's how Vishal was entered to the world best community. Okay, now, so in which community I am, are you curious about? Okay, so I am currently in a web development league where I am having a lots of teams members which are really technically sounded. Apart from that, Microsoft Azure is such a great thing I have just introduced with, because earlier I have just do a lot of course, I have did a lot of course in the other domain, but in the other domain of cloud computing, other courses I have just opted, but after getting into the Microsoft Azure, it was really a great platform, and I recommend all of you to just do an introductory course only, but just do it. It's the best thing the Microsoft is having right now. Okay, now coming to a fun question that I have to share my fun story what I have just came across. So that was a recent story what I just want to share with you, that in last month I was just decided to have a webinar, and for that I have done a lots of advertisement across my college. But at the time of webinar I have just started the event and I just used to get involved in the webinar, but I haven't seen that how many attendees I am having. At the end, when I got to a Q&A round, I just asked the people that is there any question, and what I see that there were no people, and then I thought that what is this happening. So from last 1 hour I just used to have a conversation with myself only, and that was really a bad thing. At the end I come to know that the link word what I have shared was a wrong link. But don't worry, this time I will don't do that mistake. And recently in 2 days I'm going to have a webinar, and the topic of the webinar is the secret of success. It's quite interesting, so do come and participate it and learn the more. Thank you. Namaste.